Oh, hi everyone, I hope everyone's doing well. Okay, so in our previous lesson, we learned about what white space is. So today, I'm going to show you how to implement this design principle on Canva and Weebly. Okay, so we're on canva.com right now, and I want to show you this design that I made quickly, which demonstrates a lack of white space. So as you can see, there is enough space around the text and the button, but there's not much space between the text. So let's recap what white space is. So white space is simply the blank area around, inside, or between elements. So we really need to add some space between the text, the subheading, and the button to make it look better visually. So that we have our image here, which looks all right. We just need to make this a bit smaller to make it look less weird. Okay, so let's just position this a bit further away and put the button a bit. See, as you can see, like the design is improving, which is pretty crazy. Like a small tweak can make a design look awesome. Okay, so the design is improving. The only tweak that we need to make is make the text less cramped. So let's go to letter spacing and increase the line height a bit. So what white space really does is it makes the design easily to read, and it also just like think about it. If there's so much things in one space like crammed together, it just doesn't look good. Yeah, so that's it. This is a really simple concept. And now let's go on Weebly and literally duplicate this design. Okay, so let's go to Weebly now. So this is the sample website I'm working on. Okay, so let's first add the background. Okay, so we uploaded the background image. Let's position it a bit. Okay, save. Okay, so we got our, so this is going to be our landing page, and our business name, obviously it's heels. So I don't know, heel shop. I don't know, something random. So that's our business name. It's a shoe shop, and let's add some text. So that's going to be our header, and we're going to add our subheading, which will be this. So let's just copy that in. And we're going to add the button. I mean, I could use the button like this generated one, but let's just use what we designed before. Okay, so let's make it a small bit. I just realized that even if I add the image of the lady, it's not gonna look that good. Let me actually choose another image. Now let's look for an image that's transparent, something like that, but not exactly. How about this? Maybe something fancy like this. Okay, let's download that. Quickly edit this, copy it a bit. So let's quickly just publish it to see how it looks so far. Okay, so this is what it looks. Obviously, there's sufficient amount of white space, but we need to make the center to the image. It will look so much better that way. So let's get a spacer. Okay, there we go. Let's make it a bit in the middle. Probably make the button a bit smaller so it's not too outstanding. And yeah, so there we go. Let's publish it now. Okay, there's a bit too much space, so let's reduce the should be fine. Okay, let's publish it. And yeah, so here we go. This is our landing page. It is very simple, but the purpose of me doing this is to show you how much space each element should have. So obviously in a real landing page, we would have more text. This is obviously very simple, but just to demonstrate you how to use white space. I hope this lesson clarifies how to use this design principle, and please let me know how you go. That's all, guys. I hope you found today's video helpful, and I'm looking forward to share with you the next design principle, which will be contrast. I'll talk to you soon, and bye for now.